The second one might have been answered already, but it's, can the borders be secured in an effective manner in a short time?
Well, I think if you've got some law enforcement officers in the room, you're never going to catch every law violator. So if anybody thinks that we're going to be able to close the border with a fence, you know, and these kinds of things, I think that that is some kind of pie in the sky stuff. I worked on the border. My father worked on the border. The bottom line here is that you can put policies and personnel in place with enhanced technology to make it very difficult for people to cross. But you're not going to permanently stop the flow. And one of the Achilles heels of this is something that Carlina mentioned earlier. 45% of those who enter the United States and enter with a visa and remain unlawfully, have entered with some type of visa. And many of them are from Mexico with border crossing cards, where they're able to cross on the border and go back in the immediate border areas, but they're also from other countries. We're paying no attention whatsoever to these people in terms of enforcement. So it's not just the border in the southwest or in the north, it's also the functional equivalent of the border, which is at O'Hare Airport and at Kennedy International and places like that, and our visa issuing offices overseas. So it's a very complex issue. The short answer is you're not going to stop everybody, but I do think that you can have a system which will make it so difficult, it will discourage them. But that has to be combined with a way to bring in lawful labor when it's needed, okay? So that there is an alternative for this person. You think that somebody wants to walk 150 miles through the desert? I don't know, when it's 135 degrees. You think they want to cross the river and then try to cross an irrigation canal that's running at about 40 miles an hour? You think that that's something that they want to do? So again, I think we can do that effectively, but it has to be combined with other things.